Hello and welcome to another edition of Market in Waves on this Monday, the 28th of June. So closing out pretty much quarter two for this year so far. And what have we had? Well, the back end of last week we had Joe Biden's infrastructure bill. Let's say it's a bipartisan deal that's been passed. That's made some of the dollar pairs quite erratic in the close of the session and even on the open session today. And also, this was from the bullish sentiment that the Fed was really the news release that the Fed did not so long ago, and that gave a little bit of a bullish sentiment to the DXY especially. So that was quite significant. So just a few things to look out for. Obviously, we've got the NFP figures on Friday as well. Will it be a third monthly contraction in the expectations of the numbers? We'll wait and see there as well. So just looking at the DXY first of all, today we had this completed this leading diagonal, and we had 1 2 3 4 5 impulse to the upside. Look, we completed wave 3. This was at the 161.8 Fibonacci extension of waves 1 and 2, which is where it's we usually track that that target there. Now we've come down into wave 4. Wave 4 looks completed for me. We've touched it twice here. We have a slight impetus to the upside here, but as you can see, it depends if we get past this choppy move in action. There is a possibility it could actually come back down again. But the 100% is what we're looking for as well. So it looks like wave 4 in the minor degree has completed. Now we're just basically looking for a fresh impulse to the upside. Well, where could it happen? Well, we've got the 2.618 here that it could complete at. This is the region that we're looking at the moment. So a fresh impetus to the upside. Wave 3 you can see is already completed. It's longer than wave 1, so this gives us a bit more impetus to show us that it's going to complete the upside. With divergences, just been looking, we had the past divergences here. These have looked like they're looking to kick in at some point, obviously bullish divergences. So we're just seeing if that's going to come into fruition in the next few trading days, and obviously as we close out the week as well, going into it. So we'll have to see what happens here. But yeah, this is what we're looking at the moment. If you look at the fact that it's alternative scenario as well, if this falls down even lower and then breaks this line here, then this will obviously not be effective anymore, and then we'll be looking at other scenarios as well. So stay tuned for that. I just want to look at dollar yen. Didn't really pick up on it too much last time around. So it was a little bit awkward, a little bit precarious dollar yen. We didn't really see many signals at the moment, but from the last videos we did, this looks like a skewed triangle at the moment. We did hit out of it, but now as you can see, we are going that one leg higher as well. We pierced the 100%, but we are still looking. Just get rid of. Make the screen a bit bigger just for now. We are still looking for another leg lower to complete wave 4. It might have just been the fact that it's taken a little bit longer, because we did expect a move to the downside. The 1 2 3 4 5, a slight correction, and then a move lower, and this would be the fact. But it could be that wave 4 ended here, and then we could get a leading diagonal, and then this could actually end up being another, it could be an impulsive move then after that. So we're just going to wait and see if we do pierce this 100% structure again. Then wave 4 would be here. This will obviously be cancelled out, but I'm still looking that on the let's just check on the RSI and MACDs. I'm still looking. As you can see, there are still bearish impulses here. I can just drag this one along further. Obviously, we've got higher highs here, lower lows. So, I am still probably looking that we will have another leg to the downside, but it might not go as far as the 107.44 region. It might just come up to about the 108.79 or the 109.20 in the next few trading sessions. So just something to look out for an alternative scenario. But we are still looking that the prices will start dipping a little bit, and then we'll have another look at the whole structure afterwards and see what's going to happen there. So just waiting for further signals to the downside basically. And obviously, as I said, look out for the macros coming up this week as well. That could shake up the markets quite significantly. So that's all from Marketing Waves this time around. Thank you very much for joining me. Hope that you have a great start to the trading week, and we'll catch up again tomorrow. Bye for now.